It's here. So I finally got the Nama juicer after wanting it for a very, very, very long time. I've had juicers before, but they either wasted my produce or kept jamming up. Just no good juicers. I've been using my Kingman's juicer, which is not bad for a under $100 juicer, but it just suddenly stopped working on me out of nowhere. So I think that making this purchase was a good decision. This is the Nama J3, which is smaller than the popular J2 and $100 cheaper. Start here. Let's say. Recipe book. Yes, I am grateful for this because I will be using this. This is heavy. This thing was all of 20 pounds. Okay, so that's the base. Now this is the chamber set. All the boxes are marked. Oh, every piece comes in a bag. Okay. Okay. Why Americans know how to waste things because that was. It's so unnecessary to have all of these boxes. It look nice, but just so unnecessary. Alright. What is it? This is container set. Okay, so you get 2 containers. And lastly, power cord, and the brush. Right? So let's see how everything fits now. Oh, there's one in there already. I like how easily that slipped off. Okay. This is a finer strainer. Okay, let's put this thing to work. So I had some oranges and my mom got a lot of cashew bananas. If you don't know cashew banana, the cashew plant that produces the cashew nuts that everybody loves, it comes with a fruit. That's the fruit, that yellow fruit right there on the bottom part, that part I'm twisting off, that is where the cashew nut is. But the fruit is very delicious. It is also very high in vitamin C. It is one of my favorite juices to have with orange and also with cherry if you really want to get a good boost to your immunity. Those 3 together are great. I had to move the juicer because the extension I was using just was not giving it enough juice. By that I mean power. can taste the cashew. It's not overbearing, because you know cashew can be staining. The cashew banana. 2. And 6 oranges. Tastes good. Sweet. And I don't mind the pulp. It's not that much. You don't feel like you'd have to strain it to drink it.